And I absolutely disagree with that. I absolutely know that our Supreme Court has a responsibility for the entire justice system in the state. We know that they decide cases between parties, but a lot of people don't realize we have a multi-million-dollar budget to operate our state courts. Issues like facilities of the courthouse, security at the courthouse, diversion programs to keep substance abuse cases, nonviolent cases, from getting put into the criminal system, trying to address the underlying cause of the problem. And who oversees that? Our state Supreme Court. And how important is it to have a justice on that court who understands their responsibility for our system of justice in the state and making sure it works effectively? I'll tell you some other contrasts between myself and Justice Roggensack. I absolutely know our state Supreme Court is dysfunctional. One side says black, the other side says white. They just can't cooperate with each other. Not only do I see it with my eyes, I can tell you as I went across the state on my tour, everyone I spoke to said, what are we going to do about this dysfunctional court? Everyone else in the state can see it with their own eyes. For some reason, Justice Roggensack can't see it, because she says they get along fine. She says everything's fine, there's no problem. The court's job is to be independent and to protect our constitutional rights. We know we have two political branches of our government. We know that oftentimes special interest groups have a lot of influence in our political branches. The majority will calls the shots in our political branches. That's how democracy works. But our courts are supposed to be independent of majority will and independent of the special interests, because it is the job of our courts to make sure that the political branches stay within the confines of our Constitution, don't overstep the bounds, and to make sure that they don't violate our individual rights that are guaranteed in the Constitution. And when the court is dysfunctional, when they can't cooperate, when they can't work together, then they're not doing their job protecting all of us. And that's absolutely what I recognize as a constitutional law scholar, as someone who's been a practicing lawyer for 25 years. I know how important it is for our court to do its job and how we all are impacted when it doesn't. And that's the reason why I have a message, candidate. Simple, end the dysfunction, that people across the state agree with. I haven't had to change my message from day one. These are the things I've been talking about. From day one, these are the things people tell me they want. So I know that everyone in this state understands the importance of this state Supreme Court that we're proud of once again. And on April 2nd, with your help, because I can't do it alone, with your help, we are going to win and we are going to end the dysfunction. Thank you so much.